Hello guys, this is Saksham Sharma and today I am going to review Nova by Jono Armstrong. And basically Nova is a Google Chrome extension that helps you to get traffic from TikTok. And yes, I am talking about TikTok. Uh, we have a thinking about TikTok that it's a platform that teenagers use to make music videos and dance videos. But in recent uh, days, marketers use TikTok to get traffic for their services and offers. And TikTok have a tendency that if you follow people on TikTok, they will follow you back. So TikTok can be a great opportunity to get traffic to your offers and services. So Nova can help you in getting a very targeted audience, very targeted traffic to your offer. And before telling you further about Nova, let me show you the bonuses that you will get if you choose to buy through my link, and my link is in the description. So let me show you my bonuses first. Yeah. So this is the bonus number 1, the lost code, and this is the program by Jono Armstrong, and which he used to sell, and you will get it completely free if you choose to buy through my link. So this is my first bonus, the lost code by Jono Armstrong, the same guy from the Nova. Yeah. And the second bonus is my guide to ClickFunnels, cheap alternative to ClickFunnels. When you providing offers, you have to take your traffic to a funnel, and most of the people find it difficult to afford ClickFunnels. So I will show you the alternatives that you can use instead of ClickFunnels. So this is my bonus number 2. Bonus number 3 is uh, access to Raikin system. And bonus number 4 is again a program by Jono Armstrong, The Awakening. And Jono used to sell it, and I will provide you it completely free if you choose to buy through my link. This is again by Jono Armstrong, The Awakening. And the last bonus is bonus by Jono Armstrong, the vendor bonuses. And I think most of the affiliates are going to offer you these bonuses only, but I will give you these bonuses as well as all these 4 other bonuses: the Awakening, the Raikin system, my guide to cheap ClickFunnels alternatives, and the lost code. So let me take you to the members area straight. Here we are in the members area of Nova. So here you get the video, introductory video, welcome to Nova. And here you get the Nova training, overview of the system. And from here you can install the TikTok extension. So basically this is a Chrome extension which you can install in your Chrome browser, and it will automatically follow people on TikTok on a very targeted niche, and they will follow you back. And you just need to put a link in your bio to the website or offer or services that you want them uh, to visit. So here you get all the training, how to install the extension, how to use TikTok Nova extension, and from here you can download it. You will get all the training, how to use it. And Yes, how to set up your offer and tutorials. Okay, so other than just extension, you will get these offers also that you can promote to this TikTok traffic. And first offer is Ministry of Freedom. It's a high ticket program, and you will get about $700 to $800 affiliate on a single sale. I'm member of Ministry of Freedom, and it will cost $1,400 dollars or something. So 50% of the sale, you get around $700 to $800 on each sale. So you get to promote Ministry of Freedom, also GrooveFunnels, and also Empire. And you can create campaigns here. Just click here, and here you get all the other trainings of Groove pages, etc. And my net is little bit slow. So basically, after clicking here, you just need to insert your affiliate link uh, in this campaign, and you just need to choose any of the product, any of from all these three, and you just need to get the link and put it in the bio. That's it. So hope you find this uh, review useful. And okay, let me show you also the prices and upsells of the Nova product. So the front end cost you only $12.95. So it's very cheap. You will get a ton of traffic from TikTok, and the first upgrade costs you $47, and it's a unlimited everything license, and it's a upgrade of Chrome extension with unlimited TikTok accounts and follow more people. So basically, with 12.95 dollar extension, you have to get some limitation, but with upgrade you get unlimited TikTok accounts, and you can follow more people. Upsell to cost you $97. It's a Nova done for you campaigns. And you can read all this by clicking in my description, and you will get on this bonus page, and you can read it on your own pace. uh, Upsell number 3 is high ticket done for you funnel plus limitless traffic plus unlock Instagram and Twitter. That will cost you $197. Huge value once again here. And upsell 4 is 3 apps product reseller license bundle, and it will also cost you $197. So basically you get the reseller's license, so you can sell Nova as your own product, and you get full commission if you sell it as your own product. To sell it you need reseller license bundle, and it will cost you $197. And here is the uh, sales page of Nova, and you can check it out with your own pace. It's a long sales page. You can get to this sales page by clicking on any of the buttons you see here. You can click on any of these buttons, and you will uh, reach on this sales page, and you can buy it from here. You can buy from here. So that's it for today. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to get these bonuses. These are exclusive bonuses. No one will going to offer you these bonuses. I will offer you these bonuses as well as the vendor bonuses as well. So hope you like this video. Thank you, and see you soon.